Hi guys, it's Anissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of a review because obviously I know what I'm talking about, right? A couple months ago I did a video and I reviewed the Juvia'S foundation and concealer. Well, in that video my shade was a little bit too light for me, so I feel like I didn't get to give it the full review. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than that. Not only do I have the foundation and the concealer in new and better, hopefully, shades that match me, but I also have a setting powder and I have a highlighter. You can buy all this stuff at Ulta. I'll put how much they are individually and everything like that in the description box. But it was so hard for me the first time to get the right foundation and concealer shade because I bought them online. And not only that, if you've ever seen their selection, they literally have 50 shades. I tried about 10 different ones and I feel like this was the best one in the Ulta lighting. Their lighting might be a little bit different than what mine is. I already moisturized my face using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. When doing my makeup, I've been using this Glass Skin Refining Serum. I don't know if it's just a mental thing and I feel like it's actually helping, but I got it in my BoxyCharm and I was like, might as well try to use it. That was cute. If you're looking for a good affordable primer, e.l.f. is so the way to go. If you need anything good and affordable, e.l.f. is always the way to go. I love their brushes more than any high-end brush I've ever purchased. We are going to use the pink one, which is the Poreless Face Primer. I'm also going to be using this palette. I already own it. On the left side of my face, well, I guess you're right. I don't know, my left, you're right. I'm gonna use this Beauty Blender. And then on the right side of my face, I'm going to use the Morphe, the brush that everybody talks about, M439. They only have one foundation type right now. It's called the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and I got the color 410 Nairobi. But what's so special about this foundation is that it comes in a tube. I'm gonna tell you now, just for me to be, that way I'm not like, you can't say I'm biased, even though I am. I like using a brush better than using a Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender, honestly, to me, is just more work. I feel like I'm like patting like this, going up and down. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. Oh, there's a seal on it. That was embarrassing. I really hope this matches me, because if not, I am gonna cry. We'll make it work. So first thoughts, it is very thick, as you can see. Oh, I did good. I don't care what anybody says. It feels thick in texture, but we'll see how it feels wearing on the face. Oh no, I do not like this at all. Do you see that? It's like so thick. I'm having to rub it more than pat it. I feel like this color is closer to my neck. Well, it's definitely full coverage. I feel like also when you do a Beauty Blender, it doesn't water down the coverage. Real Technique sponges are definitely better than Beauty Blenders, but when I use a Beauty Blender, I literally feel like I'm just pouring product into the Beauty Blender because it just sucks everything right up. And you can get 3 of these for the price of 1 Beauty Blender. It doesn't feel heavy, but I will say you don't need a lot at all. This is probably the equivalent to like a pump or 2 of foundation, so it's not like you're using any more. Oh yeah, this side is gliding on like a dream, and it was way faster. Don't you love this? I love this for me. The concealer shade I got is at number 10. I'm actually going to use the Real Techniques. This is just the Expert Face Brush. So you get a lot on the applicator, just like the Too Faced Born This Way. I feel like that's a good. Oh yeah. See, these match me way better. I'm not gonna lie though, it is easier to do a Beauty Blender for your concealer. Try to get in there. Be careful of the precious eyelashes. And for creasing is not something I'm going to take into consideration because I am just a person that talks naturally with so much facial expression that it wouldn't be fair, I don't feel. I do like the drying down better of the Beauty Blender for this side as an initial thought. I feel like it just looks more. Tell me in the comments if you're seeing any difference. I know I want to bake with this. So this is the I Am Magic setting powder, and this is in the color Gobi. I think they only had 3 or 4 shades. This packaging is really not having it. Okay, well that was cute. I don't think I'm going to set my whole face with this. I'm just going to set my under eyes. Oh, well, it definitely has pigment to it.
Not translucent.
But we'll see how truly true that is when I knock it off. How do I look? Okay. So far, first impressions, I'm not mad at this. Oh, gotta set my eyelids. Because I'm wearing eyeshadow today. I let my under eyes and my eyes bake. I'm gonna keep letting my under eyes bake, but I'm just gonna wipe off this excess powder on my eyes. That way I can go ahead and do my eyeshadow. The way this dried down looks so natural. It just melted right in. So we'll see how this holds up. I don't think I've ever been this close up and like in your face. I got this on Black Friday for $9 a year ago, and I absolutely love the colors. They are so pigmented, so I already know that I'm gonna love this. This for me is literally like the perfect on the go throw in your travel bag. As long as you give me a crease color and a gold, I'm good to go. I'm going to take this MAC eyeshadow brush. It's a little dirty, but I'm going to take mostly this and then a little bit of that and put it in my crease. This is this is editing Anissa from the future. Hello. So I just wanted to make it very clear that I was not picking my nose here. I had an itch right here. You know how like you itch, like, hold on, let's get up close person, like you itch this part of your nose. That's what I was doing. So, okay, back to the video. I feel like these eyelashes are in my way. And I kind of do a V shape, kind of faint on the inner corner, mostly on the outer corner. I really like to blend, blend, blend. Because if you blend, it can never look bad. And that is the truth. I like doing my eyeshadow before my eyebrows because then I feel like when I do my eyebrows, I'm all complete and I don't feel like I'm being so careful when trying to brush back and forth. I need some chapstick. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to know what people are saying about me right now. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Cano and then just a little bit of this Ahosi color right here to lighten it up because I didn't want it that dark. So crease is done. Now I'm going to do my lid color. And I'm thinking that I want to do this color right here. Idea is so freaking pretty. Oh, I love it. I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. See, that's one swipe. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this color right here to homie because I don't actually want it this yellow. I kind of want it a little bit more golden, so I'm just taking a little bit of that and putting it on top. I am going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, two-sided brush that comes in all the eyeshadow palettes that they make. I'm just gonna blend where my lid color and my crease color meet. I'm just blending those two together. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now I am going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the color Ebony and the iconic brush that comes with it. Eyebrows, please be nice to me today. Like, seriously. Not bad, not my best, but not bad. How'd I do, guys? How did I do? How crazy do I look on a scale of 1 to 10? Okay, so I'm all done with my eyes. Now we're going to wipe this bake off and then I'm going to put, I don't know, should I put powder? I don't want to use a different powder and then mess up my results. I feel confident enough in knowing what my normal powder does to me to know that if it goes bad, that it's the foundation's fault. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, that is stunning. Okay. It wipes off like a dream. I'm going to be taking the one and only Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation and Concealer, and I'm in the color 24 Golden. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I feel this is probably the best that my makeup has looked initially in a very long time. Juvia'S did not come to play at all. Like, she was not playing any type of games at all. The last thing we're going to be testing today, the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvia'S. Their packaging is just so cute. I can't. Oh, this is beautiful. It has a seal on the actual highlighter, and then the mirror also had a seal, which I don't think I've ever seen a highlighter with a mirror besides Becca, and I don't even use it. But this is what it looks like. Absolutely, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I already know I'm gonna love this. I'm just gonna take this little itty bitty brush right here and start with a nose highlight. First thing I'm noticing is I'm having to pick up a lot more product than I would with my normal. What do we think? The nose highlighter like gives it all away. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna go light on the highlight on the cheeks today. Oh, okay. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I barely used any at all. At first, I feel like I had to break that barrier, you know. I love the nose highlight is what makes the look. I'm gonna use this highlighter in my inner corner. There we go. When you have that inner corner, it completely, look at the two different sides of my face. Okay, so I just put Powder Mascara on. I tried to do it without being this close to the mirror, and it just wasn't happening. Now I am going to put on some lip balm. Just know it's lip balm, and it'll be in the next favorites video. And my favorite lip gloss, I don't know where it is right now. Just use this Lemonade lip gloss. Hopefully it's not too like pink, because it'll kind of throw off the look, but if only I knew where my stuff was, then I wouldn't really be having issues right now, would I? Okay, so this is the first initial look of it being done and put on my face, completed. We're gonna see how it holds up. I'm kind of nervous, guys. I will come back to you guys in 2 or 3 hours and see how it holds up. Okay, so I am back. It is currently 10:03. It's been about, 4 hours since I've had this makeup on, and I feel like I look better than I did when I first put it on. When I have makeup on for a long time, there's certain parts of your face where the foundation starts to melt into your skin in the wrong way, not in a flawless way, in a cracked out, dry, cakey way. I'm really impressed. I really am. Especially for price point. Products like this just go to show that you do not have to spend your whole check and all the money you're making and spend a ridiculous amount of money to find good products. You just have to look. I just feel like I'm surprised that I don't have more creasing under my eyes than I do, because I was singing and like facial expression and talking a lot. If you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you want to see me try a specific brand of stuff, just leave ideas in the comments below. I have an idea of a few different things that I want to try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.